Hey lovely family, welcome to Take Control. In this channel here we teach you method and steps on how to take to control your life towards being the best version of yourself. Now, are you this kind of person that the stage gets over you and you're so afraid to address an audience? You're afraid to give a speech in public and stuff like that? Now you are at the right place, because in this video today I'll be showing you in the next 5 minutes on how to get over that stage fright and become the best presenter, the best speech giver, and the best of anything you want to do in public, because you just got to do with your public speaking, right? Because I believe a few years ago I was in that shoe. Now, if you haven't joined the family, just go down, subscribe, like, it's up to you. Then let's just jump into the video. Now, first thing I want you to know is that before you go out to present in any organization or give out a speech, you have to accept your imperfection. You have to accept your imperfection. Now, accepting your imperfection means that you accepting the fact that it is possible that I can make a mistake presenting. I know that I have my flaws. I'm not perfect. I'm this kind of person. Okay, maybe for example, you're this kind of person that doesn't speak fast, or maybe you're this kind of person that is just so calm, or maybe fast, or whatever personality you have inside of you. Your ability to accept the fact that you are this kind of person and accepting that personality, accepting that imperfection, and believing that it is possible to make a mistake when presenting gives you an edge, or will I say gives you this kind of relaxation that yes, it is possible and you can do it. Now, the second thing I want you to know is that always be prepared. Now, no matter what kind of presentation you're doing, okay, for example, if you were to go give a speech, for example, it is advised to read that speech over and over again. Not because you're trying to memorize it, nope. It's because, although it's going to be with you when you're presenting, yes, but when you read it over and over, preparing for the presentation, it gives you an edge. It gives you this fluency, it gives you this flow. Now you're familiar with the words, you're familiar with the phrase, you're familiar with the sentences that is written in the speech, so it gives you this free flow when you are presenting. This can also and will also boost your confidence because you're familiar with what you are doing. Now remember, the first thing I told you was that you have to accept your imperfection, and the second thing is that you got to be prepared. Now maybe for instance, you're already on the stage and maybe you're this kind of person, when you're presenting all of a sudden everything just blank out from your head and you just fear grips in. No, don't accept that fear, because that fear will get you killed. Not literally you're gonna die, but it's gonna ruin everything for you. Now, what you are advised to do is take a moment. In that second, take a moment. No one's gonna kill you. Take a moment, and in that moment, make sure you don't picture anybody in front of you, like you were alone. Take 3 deep breaths. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Now this 3 deep breath will relax. I'm not saying it's going to relax you totally, but it will calm the speeding of your heart, the freshness of your heart rate. It will take it down. Now in that space, pick your words one after the other, and if you do this in that sequence, then you get back the flow automatically. But if you just allow the fear to just take control over you, and then you will lose everything. You will lose everything. Now remember, when you're presenting to people in public and you are addressing them, be it a speech, be it a presentation, or whatever you're doing, always put a smile on your face. Always put a smile on your face. And when you put a smile on your face, it gives them the confidence that they can trust in what you're saying. Number one. Number two, if you put a smile on your face and look into their eyes when you're talking, it gives you confidence. Simple and short. I hope with this video you will be able to take action, because remember, number one, action is very important. Action is key. So if you go with these principles, trust me, your next conference, your next presentation, your next speech reading, you will crush it. I love you guys. Do have a nice one. Until next time, be safe.